All right, guys, today is the day. I received 2 boxes from the Poosh Coachella giveaway, and they came in last night, but I wanted to wait until this morning to open it up with all of you. If you know anything about the things they give away at Coachella, it's really good. They've got it packed really tight, and both of these boxes were really heavy, so I have a feeling that they are loaded with lots of good things. So let's get to it. Let's unbox. Okay, we're starting with this box. We've got, you know the brand Sexy Hair? This is like a cute hair product or makeup bag. Love that. Along with some voluminizing shampoo, also from the brand. Ooh, these are illuminating eye masks. Bye-bye dull looking under eyes. They're game changers for early mornings and late nights. We love a good skincare regime. We've got lip balm with SPF. It's gonna be perfect in the summer. This is a lip mask. We've got the Salt and Stone hand cream. Love a good moisturizer. Because who has time for dry hands? Oh, a nice electrolyte drink. It has nootropics, vitamin B, and electrolytes. This is called Vinsel. Couple more of those in different flavors. We've got some coconut oil. That's what I love about Poosh. It's all natural. All the products are like things that are gonna be good for you. More hair products, an SPF balm. This is an eye gel. This is like a self-care box. I love it. More under eye masks. I got the Camp Poosh shirt, matching hat. I love it. Oh, of course, I've got some Poosh vitamins. I don't have the ultimate spa day. Oh my goodness, this is just full of hand sanitizer, a microdermabrasion system. Okay, I want a lot of things, but this is awesome. This is natural deodorant. Ooh, we love a lip kit. Yes. This is Orabella Body and Hair Perfume Mist, and I have several scents. Oh my goodness, more eye masks. What's this? This is really good. Oh, this is cute. This is by Antler. Love it, and the material's really good. This is the Sling Bag Black Bag. This is gonna be perfect for summer travels, hitting the gym. We're not even done. There's still like so much stuff in this box. More from the Sexy Hair brand. Another bag from Antler, super cute. What? Oh, this is so cute. I got a jean jacket from Brevet Denim. Very nice. We love a classic. Okay, let me hurry up so I can get to box 2. We have more skincare items, sunscreen, antibacterial, lip butter, more hair products, more Kylie Cosmetics. This is another nice skincare product. Eye roller. Yes, I've been wanting one of these. Oh, the Kylie mascara. Okay, that's box 1. This is a good box. What's in box 2? It's wrapped all cool. Instacart and Poosh. We love Instacart. The good stuff. Oh, I love how this is laid out. Your daily dose of wellness delivered. Okay, so we've got Courtney Barker Wellness Magnesium Bath Flakes. We've got in here coconut oil, perfect for pulling, and just a lot of different things. Wow, this must be like a combo that they have together. Sleep mask. Oh, this is really good. This is for your skin to get the lymphatic drainage going. And then this is a nice candle. This is a candle. Okay, I'm just making sure I don't miss anything because this is so cool. There's more! All right, of course we got the cloud popcorn, Vita Coco. We've got some dates, cookie. We've got tea, peppermint tea, and of course, some lemon. This is the Daily Metabolism Gummies. So good. Yes, we reached the end. Wow. So good. Thank you, Poosh. I'm so excited to use all my products and to wear my outfit. So thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.